Are you searching for best digital timer? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 3 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best digital timer in 2023. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1. Gangbei THC15A Programmable Digital Timer. Brand name, Gangbei. Model number, THC15A. Orders, 3500. Reviews, 985. Rating, 4.8. Product features, 20 groups of switch time reservation setting, set a daily or weekly cycle control. Multiple groups of timing, time adjustable, multifunctional time control switch THC38, power off memory, smart chip precise timing. Built-in rechargeable battery, users set the time, automatically turn on and off the power of various electrical equipment. Widely used in production equipment, street lamps, advertising lights, LED lights, warehouse exhaust dehumidification, agriculture, radio and television and other. High power time control switch, 20 groups of switch control, 1 minute less than or equal to T less than or equal to 168H adjustable, power memory storage for 3 years, use for, suitable for controlling road lamp, neon light, adds signboard light, etc. Number 2. JUANJUAN KT024 Digital Timer Switch. Brand name, JUANJUAN. Model number, KT024. Orders, 788. Reviews, 259. Rating, 4.8. Easy to set up. The digital timer is easy to set up and can be easily installed in a few minutes. It has a simple design, which is very convenient for you to use. Rechargeable. This digital timer is powered by a USB cable, which can be charged at any time. It has a built-in rechargeable battery. You can use it with confidence. Brand new, this digital timer is made of high-quality ABS material, which is durable and has a long service life. Number 3. Rehoboth TM02 Electronic Digital Timer. Brand name, Rehoboth. Model number, TM02. Orders, 636. Reviews, 188. Rating, 4.9. EU Electronic Digital Timer Switch, US, FR, BR Plug Kitchen Timer Socket Outlet 230V, 110V 7-day 12 to 24-hour Programmable Timing, Large LCD Display. Smart Setting, set to 20 sets per day, one-click Automatic Intelligence Mode, inbuilt rechargeable batteries, no need to replace batteries, flame retardant material housing, high socket safety, easy to set, and easy to understand. Number 4. Keweisi Kitchen Timer Countdown Timer. Brand name, Keweisi. Model number, WEIS 318 3-channel timer. Orders, 67. Reviews, 281. Rating, 4.8. 3 channels kitchen timer. Cooking countdown timer for shower study stopwatch. 3 alarms reminder clock with bracket, magnet, hole. Features, 3 groups of positive/countdown independent timing. 3-speed volume. Mute flash, with memory, shutdown, volume, loud, low, mute. Number 5. Countdown Digital Cooking Kitchen Timer. Brand name, ThermoPro. Model number, TM03. Orders, 69. Reviews, 37. Rating, 5.0. TM03 has 2-level alarm volume choices, low or high volume, which can be changed by sliding the button on the right side of the product. Count up and countdown timer. TM03 has 2 function, countdown timer, count up timer. Countdown time range, 99 hour 59 minute 59 cc. Count up time range, 99 hour 59 minute 59 cc. Infinite cycled, multinational placement methods, small size to be portable, multiple usages except for cooking. TM03 timer also can be used for study, workouts, facial and so on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.